Hey everyone, welcome to Glassy Wonders, where we shatter myths and explore fascinating facts about one of the most versatile materials in the world, glass. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into some crystal clear facts that will leave you amazed. Let's get started. First up, did you know that glass is actually a supercooled liquid? That's right. Unlike most solids, glass doesn't have a crystal structure. Instead, its molecules are arranged randomly, similar to a liquid. This unique structure gives glass some of its most remarkable properties. Here's a fun historical fact. The earliest known glass objects date back to around 300 BCE in Mesopotamia and Egypt. Ancient glassmakers created beautiful beads and small decorative items, showcasing the early fascination humans had with this material. Speaking of history, the Romans were pioneers in glassmaking techniques. They developed the art of glass blowing in the 1st century BCE, revolutionizing the production of glass items. This allowed for the creation of more intricate and larger glass pieces, including windows. Did you know that glass is made from sand? Specifically, the primary ingredient is silica, which is found in sand. When heated to extremely high temperatures, silica melts and can be shaped into glass. This process, called vitrification, turns common sand into the shiny glass we see every day. And here's something truly amazing. Glass is 100% recyclable and can be recycled endlessly without losing its quality or purity. That means your recycled glass bottle could come back as a new glass bottle over and over again. A talk about sustainability. Now, let's talk about a special type of glass, tempered glass. Tempered glass is heated and then rapidly cooled, making it much stronger than regular glass. When it breaks, it shatters into small, blunt pieces instead of sharp shards, which is why it's used in car windows and smartphone screens for safety. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Some of the clearest and most durable glass is used in the construction of telescopes. The Hubble Space Telescope, for instance, has a primary mirror made from ultra-pure glass that allows scientists to see distant galaxies billions of light years away. Talk about a window to the universe! And did you know that glass can also be incredibly artistic? Stained glass has been used for centuries to create beautiful, colorful windows in churches and cathedrals. Each piece of glass is carefully selected and placed to form intricate designs that tell stories and inspire awe. Speaking of awe-inspiring, let's not forget about fiber optics. Made from thin strands of glass, fiber optics are used to transmit data at lightning-fast speeds. This technology is the backbone of our internet and telecommunications systems, enabling everything from streaming videos to making phone calls. And here's a fun fact to impress your friends. Prince Rupert's drops are a type of glass that's both incredibly strong and incredibly fragile. These teardrop-shaped pieces of glass are created by dripping molten glass into cold water. The outer layer cools rapidly, while the inside cools more slowly, creating a structure that can withstand a hammer blow on the bulbous end, but shatters explosively if the tail is snapped. Well, that's all for today's episode of Glassy Wonders. I hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts about glass. Remember, the next time you look through a window or drink from a glass, you're holding a piece of history and science in your hands. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing facts. Stay sharp and clear.